Hello, everybody. This is what we talked about in team today in modules. I'm going to go ahead and go to my modules. Quick refresher on how to lock down your modules so that way the kids have to complete all the items in order without jumping around and skipping. So let me go back. I'm in my module, click on my three dots, and click Edit. So mine are set up, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete everything. We'll start fresh. So when you open up yours, it'll look like this. Okay. We're going to add requirements here for my first module of the week. And I want them to do it in order. So I'm going to click Students must move through requirements in order. And right now they got the video. Now, you can leave it as marked or view the item, but you don't know if they viewed that. The only way you're going to know if they viewed it, or at least have attempted it, is marked done. Because if you leave it as view, then all they have to do is click on it one time, open it up, and then they can move on. And they can move to the next item in the module, next assignment. This way, they mark it done. They at least have taken the initiative to click something else, and hopefully that means that they've actually watched the video. Then my next item is for them to look at the map directions. For this, all I care about is that they view the item because they're getting a PDF from it. Because they're going to need that PDF to help them with the map. So for my periods 2, 3, 5, 7, and 8, they need to submit the map when they're completed. For my adjusted seventh period class, I'm going to collect the map, and my period represents that that's the adjusted assignment, and then I'm going to make them submit the assignment as well. Now, after that, we have a reading. I have 2 readings because one's for the adjusted class, and I actually took a video of me reading the story to them and actually paused and asked them questions as we went along. So I need to put both these readings in, and I'm going to have them mark it as done as well. Then we have the quizzes down here at the very bottom. First one, these are questions that they need to answer following the reading. So I have 3 options here for quizzes: view the item, submit the assignment, or score at least. So I want them to score at least a 5 out of 7 on the assignment. And there's 7 multiple choice questions, and they can use the reading. My last assignment is a physical and political characteristics of Africa. These just are reviewing some of the items that we've worked on all year long. So I want them to score at least a 23 out of 29. And then right now, those are all the assignments for this module. So I'm going to click Update Module. Now, for the prerequisite for the next one, it says they need to have completed March 30th, the module that we were just working on. So to do that, so they can't move on to the second module until they complete the first, you go right here and you click to add it, and then you can say what they need to do before they can do it. And that's what I have set up here. So they have to complete March 30th before they can go on to April 6th. So I'm going to go ahead and update it, and there it's that way you can see this. As an educator, so right here it tells me complete all items, because none of my other modules have that, because I never set this up before now. With me not being in the classroom, I want them to go through and actually do the assignments in order. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks. Bye.